We're moving now.
Well, yeah, I probably should make a cellar as well. We already have the club over here. All right, let me see. Yeah, maybe we should have some stairs that go down. We eating spiders down there? No, 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 no. The tavern fridge is always stocked with only the finest ingredients. No, it does not have Calli milk. It'll have Ina milk. Ina's the one that does the milk, not me. Ina milk. Huh? Ina's milk vending machine. Property of Watson Industries. Is that even possible? I don't do that. Ironic due to the sheer difference in size. I mean, if you think about it though, in the real world, it's not like the size really matters. They wouldn't have a function if the size mattered.